Imagine a day when water, the essence of life, becomes a source of distress. Sewage backups pose a silent threat to homes and our cherished environment. The risks are real: property damage, health hazards, and ecological harm. But why does this happen, and how can we prevent the perils of sewage misfortune? Protech Restoration specializes in turning the tide against these unwelcome invasions. Our experts employ cutting-edge techniques to safeguard your sanctuary. From initial assessment to full recovery, we're your shield against the chaos. Together, we can minimize the impact and keep our communities safe and sound. Preventive measures are key. Regular maintenance can avert disaster. Installing backwater valves and sump pumps are investments in peace of mind. Education empowers. Knowing the signs of trouble can lead to timely interventions. The benefits are clear: a protected home, a thriving environment, a secure future. Protech Restoration is more than a service. It's a commitment to excellence. Take the step to do your home, protect your environment with Protech's expertise. Join us in safeguarding our city, one home at a time. Together, we make a difference. Visit our website or give us a call. Protech Restoration, your partner in protection and restoration. Act now and safeguard your space.